Raindrops. Listen, repeat, read aloud and sing. कविता ऐका, म्हणा, मोठ्याने वाचा आणि चालीवर म्हणा. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter, down the window pane. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter, all the rainy day. I sit here at the window, I have nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. The little raindrops cannot speak, but pitter patter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? Read aloud the following sound words. Pitter patter, tring tring, zoom zoom, bow wow, ding dong, beep beep beep, wah wah wah.